Hi, I'm Mary from Linda's Ease, and I'm in front of the Aveneer today by Brother, otherwise known as the EV1. We're going to have this fantastic machine, along with many, many others, at the Fiber, Fabric, and Craft Show coming up next week, May 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and classes are also on the 30th, and it's not too late to get into those. We'll be doing some pre-sales, but I wanted to show you today the beautiful Brother Aveneer EV1, and we're going to talk about several things. I'm going to go into the sewing mode first. We have so many different stitches on this machine, but one of my favorite features is watch the ease of how this stitch plate comes up. Look at that. There's no taking your screwdriver out or anything else. It just pops up, out, and then back in. Watch your threading. We're going to press the magic button. How easy is your needle threader? We have plenty of stitches on this. As I scroll, this would show me my different features. I can go in, I can go up, I can stitch, I can select stitches like that. And up here, if you notice, it's telling me what foot to use. Well, let's go into Character Decorative Stitches. And some of these will require the end foot. The end foot meaning it's a longer foot that you can do decorative stitches with. But let's go back to our utility stitches. The screen prompts you through everything. If I want to in the morning when I first turn on my machine, I engage my needle up, my needle down, my presser foot lifter, my scissor cut, and my knot making, because that will take care of everything for me. And again, you just scroll buttonholes. It's got one of the most amazing buttonholes on, I think, on the market. You can take lightweight organza, and the buttonhole comes with a plate so that you can put your fabric between there. You don't have to, but it helps stabilize the fabric. You can make buttonholes with no stabilizer with this foot on organza. It's amazing. They'll teach you all of that in the free basic machine training classes that you do get with your machine. So again, let's just scroll through some of these stitches. You can actually sew on patches with the sideways stitch. I'm going sideways with a zigzag stitch, or I can go sideways with a straight stitch. It's a fun, unique thing to this machine. If we go into Character Decorative Stitches, all of these up here are my, oh, look what I see, are my stitch patterns. I have exclusive Disney stitch patterns in the machine, because it is made by Brother. Brother is the only brand that will allow you to do Disney. You can't sell the Disney designs. We'll talk about that more when we do the embroidery. But it also has some sewing features, sewing designs that we can stitch out. Look at that. And that's bigger than your 9mm stitch. You can see on the screen, this is the actual size. Then we have little letters. We can go in and do counted cross stitch, satin stitches. You can combine stitches, create stitches, and we can audition stitches. I want something like this. We're going to turn on my camera. And now I can audition these stitches. If this stitch isn't what I wanted, I have a pen. This pen here, stylus, has batteries in it so that I can go to the next stitch. I can change it colors so that I can see it on my fabric. I can go to the next stitch and say cancel, and then just move either way. See on here, now I've got the next stitch, and I can go to the next stitch, and I'm combining stitches here. I can say okay, and then I'd be done, X out of the screen. Here on my screen, is what I have captured and done. So this is a unique feature also of the Brother, that I can do that with the laser point and the camera. Over here is one of my favorite features. It's little. We're going to go into here. What this is it gives me a screen to create my own stitch. I like the blanket stitches, but maybe I don't like the blanket stitch that's built into the machine. I want mine to look a little bit more hand done, if you will, which means it's not going to be quite exact like in the machine. So I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to jog over a minute, make a dot, come down, make a dot, test. This is the stitch I just made. Have fun with it, play with it. You can put it into memory. I know somebody who actually created a little train car because it wasn't in the system. So you can tell it to do just one stitch and then create another. You can return, close, keep it, okay to cancel. We're canceling. So we've pretty much talked about a lot of the, there are little letters in here, a lot of the different sewing capabilities of the machine. Now I want to take you home, say okay, and go into embroidery. And it tells you exactly what's going to go on. So we're in the embroidery end of the EV1, and it does come with 4 hoops, your smallest being the 4x4, and your largest being the 11 5/8 by 14. Look at that hoop. This is the built-in, one of the built-in exclusive Disney designs, and it was stitched out, and then we rehooped it so that we could have batting and bring in the quilting. We took a picture, and we allowed the stamp design to do its job, and then stippled around the Disney feature. So this is the largest hoop. Again, it's over 11 inches by 14, and it comes with 4 hoops between the size of 4x4 all the way up. So we've got so many different designs here. You can see them. We've got lettering, we've got shapes and borders, which we use to make quilt labels. We can bring in decorative stitches and do them in embroidery. We've got Disney. We've got all of these are the different Disney that are built in. And because this is a Brother machine, once you take it home, register it, you can go to the iBroidery site that Brother has created. And there are exclusive designs that are only available to you as a Brother owner. Among them is your licensed character designs. And also there's some Anita Good designs, some Zunt designs, in addition to a lot of other designs. So what we can do, we're going to return. We're going to go into here. Look at this, quilt, applique, animals, lettering, decorations, seasons, all of these different designs. But again, what's nice is if we go in, and I want to take a smaller one just so I can show you, oh, what's this? Roses. Let's say set, let's say edit. Let's just do our job here. And what I'm going to do is increase the size, and watch up there, it will increase and show you what size hoop you need to do. Clicking means it's as big as it can go. What I just did is I resized it. I can go down or up, and it recalculated the stitches, which means it added in, or if I went the other way, it would subtract. Most machines, without this capability, you can only go 10 and 20%. So that's nice. We're going to come out of embroidery. We're going to delete this one, say okay. We're just going to show, look at all the alphabets that you have in there, all the different fonts. And again, it's nice. This is what the font actually looks like. I can bring it up onto my screen right now. And I can make them curve, I can rotate them the other way. I can do so much editing. I can also spread the letters apart or move them back together. I want to show you one of the neatest things on this machine is the camera function. So let's go into animals. I've been playing with the little bunny because I like bunnies. This is the hoop support tray. It comes in the embroidery box. I have put it on and we leave it on. It'll help support your hoop. It'll help support your sewing table or your quilting and your embroidery hoops too. So I've got this on. I'm going to play with it a minute and we're just going to make it a little bit bigger. We're going to say okay. Now watch this. The projector is turning on. So there it is on my screen. Why would this be important? Maybe I have a pocket and I want to put it precisely so I can have it right above my pocket, because now I can go and I can move it and see how the projection area moves. I can also do that a different way. We're going to put that there so we have something in the screen to photograph. Now watch this. We're using the camera feature, which is a little bit different than the projector feature, and we're taking a picture of the camera. There is my pink fabric. So we're going to go and I'm going to move that bunny right down to the edge of the fabric. Pretend that's my pocket. I can be really precise with that. So he's not on my pocket. And one last feature I'd like to talk about is we're going to go back home and go into my design center. This is one of my personal favorite features. It comes with a scan board, and I have here an art clip. So using that camera, we're going to scan. So right now what it's doing is the built-in camera, which is located underneath here by the presser foot, is going to scan this entire board. It will pick up loose threads. It will pick up smudges on the paper. The camera is that strong. Takes less than a minute to scan. What I want to do with this is I'm taking this art clip and I am digitizing on screen the art clip. So it'll be done now. I'm going to just crop it. I want to choose colors. Maybe I want some green, yellow petals. And I can use my stylus on the screen. The stylus is a gentle touch stylus. Then I want to go in and pick another color. Maybe I want a darker orange. Say okay. We're going to go there. 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 And then I want to go back into the colors and pick a green for my flower petals. I'm going to say next. I'm going to leave it alone, let the machine do the digitizing. And okay, so now you can notice that we did not get rid of the background image. So I'm going to go into settings real quick, and I want to delete my background image. So my background image is gone. Now I'm in my embroidery stitch out frame. Here's my color-coded bars. It's going to take 39 minutes. Here's my actual size. The machine comes in meters. We like it in, I sorry, I prefer it in inches instead of the millimeters. 25,341 stitches and 4 color changes. And from there, I can press go, and this will stitch out. This is called the scanning board for my design image. There is so much on this. There's these, even you can bring in by USB stick into picture play. You can bring in a photograph, put it through its paces, and within 3 minutes, you've got it digitized, so you can stitch that out also. There is so much in this machine that I cannot do it justice. So come to the show and see us in the booth. We're ready to do pre-sales, so call us and we'll take a deposit down for a pre-sale. And just keep in mind, we've got all different machines. If you can't afford this, we've got other ones there. We also have some pre-loves, so give us a call. Linda Z's at 847-394-4590. Thank you.